A cinematic story begins with a shot of the moon shining brightly over the Earth. The camera slowly pans away to reveal the moon is climbing higher and higher into the night sky, almost as if it's being pulled upwards by an invisible force. People across the world look up in awe at the magnificent sight. Some point in wonder, others take pictures with their phones. Then, just as abruptly, the moon begins to fade from view, disappearing over the horizon. People's faces are filled with confusion. An ominous, unsettling quiet descends over the world. People look up into the night sky in confusion, then begin to panic as they realize what's happening. The moon should be there, a constant presence in the night sky. But it's not. It's vanished without a trace. In moments, news channels around the world are reporting on the shocking development. Social media erupts in a cacophony of confused questions and frightened speculation, and the world's scientists are left scratching their heads in bewilderment. No one has ever seen anything like this before. What could possibly be happening? As the hours pass, the ocean tides begin to rise. They crest over the seawalls and flood coastal cities. People flee to higher ground, desperately running from the advancing deluge. The sea's relentless advance shows no signs of stopping. Time-lapse, shots, show crops, and vegetation, dying across the world as the soil and water become devoid of the nutrients the moon's gravity once provided. Birds migrating across the planet's circle in confused flocks under a pitch-black sky, unable to navigate without the moon's familiar light. The world's scientists work feverishly in their labs, racing against time to discover what's happening and why. Many hypothesize that the moon has exploded, while others suggest it's been hiding behind an enormous cloud of interstellar dust. Each theory is as wild as the last. Days turn into weeks, then months. The Earth begins to wobble on its axis in an unnatural fashion, causing massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions around the world. People huddle around battery-powered radios, listening for any updates on the strange phenomenon that has befallen their world. But there are none. There is nothing anyone can do but wait and hope for the return of their lost satellite. From the vantage point of space, however, we see that the moon is destroyed, and that it has been flung into a far-off corner of the galaxy. It's simply gone, vanished from existence, as if someone or something had taken it. And as telescopes around the world scan the cosmos, searching for any sign of the missing satellite, they spot something. For a brief moment, something enormous passes across the face of the sun, a cloaked object with an unnatural darkness about it, a darkness that speaks of immense power and terrifying intent. The video cuts to black as the whispering voice concludes its chilling monologue. What if it was taken?